All right, well, I do have to say that I do miss the theater. Just every once in a while, it's kind of nice to get out and have a different type of an experience. Now, taking a look right now at our almanac, and I get this question a lot. Everyone says, Mike, should it be a little bit warmer this time of the year? And if you take a look, our average is really 64 as a high, 40 as a low. So we were at 67 today and 41. So we're pretty much right on target. It's just we typically have, ups and downs, a little bit more fluctuations with it. We're nowhere near the record of 91 or even 22 back in 1905. Sunrise tomorrow, 6:27 a.m. And so far for the month, 1.81 inches of rain. So normally we have about 3.5 inches. So when can we expect more rain? Well, tomorrow is going to be pretty dry. Once we go on to Wednesday, there's a high probability of some rain. A strong cold front will be moving through and then dry out for a couple of days. And we're looking at Saturday and Sunday with some rain showers through Saturday night into Sunday. So those will be our best chances to pick up a little bit more accumulation. Now, as far as pollen goes, hopefully some of this rain will knock down some of these allergens. Now, these are for trees. We're looking at maple, oak, and ash. Right now, this is the time of the season where we are at the peak. We also do have to be concerned with grass allergens. Well, right now, those are medium, and they're on their way to increase as well. So looking around the region tonight, it's actually fairly mild. You're looking at 54, not only in D.C., but up at Dulles, 52 in Leesburg. A couple of 40s now in Manassas at 49, Warrenton at 47. And even if we head a little bit to Cumberland, 52, Kaiser, 51, Martinsburg, 50 degrees. So overall, it's a pretty good night. If we take a look at our radar over the last several hours or so, you can see a low pressure system off the coast of the Carolinas. Brought us a lot of clouds earlier today, but that has moved on out. Now from New Jersey, Pennsylvania, all the way down through Virginia and North Carolina, we've got some clear skies, and that'll stay with us into tomorrow. In fact, as we put the tracker in motion tomorrow morning, there's nothing there. We've got some clear skies. You can see a few clouds up towards western portions of PA. And then as we go throughout the day, we will get some clouds later in the day. And then there's another chance of some of those spot showers that seem to work their way in the region from the south to the north, and that's later in the evening time period. Now for Wednesday, that's really the big setup. We're looking at some clouds and sun first thing in the morning, and then that cold front's going to swing through from west to east. We can look here, see some storms popping up, and that's one thing we have to watch out with these cold fronts, because on the back end, we're looking at a lot of wind and some cold air. And in fact, we might even see some flurries in those higher elevations. You can see here in the pinks and the blue colors. And then once that moves away, we're going to be left on that backside with really a chilly day on Thursday. So for tonight, even though we have clear skies, still looking at temperatures right around 46 degrees. Those winds fairly light out of the south. And then tomorrow morning, starting off in the mid 40s, and just in a few hours, we're going to be in the mid 50s. So a quick warm up tomorrow morning. Temperatures around the region will be in the low 70s. A couple of exceptions: Cumberland 69, Oakland at 61, and then Frederick, Linganore at 72, 73 degrees tomorrow. For your 7-day forecast, we've got that cold front coming through Wednesday. That's where we're going to have showers, gusty winds. Temperatures drop to 54 degrees, cooler and breezy on Thursday. And then we turn out pretty well by the end of the week. Sunny skies back into the mid 60s. Next chance of rain over the weekend. That's a look at your 7-day forecast.